In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Microsoft Project in under 3 minutes. By the end, you'll be comfortable with the essentials and ready to build a working project plan. First, get familiar with the key views that make up your workspace. The Gantt chart is your main planning timeline, where tasks appear as bars across dates. The task sheet is where you type in the list of things to do, one task per row. The resource sheet is where you define who or what will do the work, like team members or equipment. Knowing where these live helps you move quickly as you build and refine your plan. Next, create your first simple project. Start by entering a clear task list in the task sheet or Gantt chart view. Short action-oriented names work best. Add durations for each task, like 3D for 3 days or 8H for 8 hours. Then establish dependencies so project can schedule tasks in a logical sequence. The most common link is finish to start, meaning one task finishes before the next begins. You can select 2 tasks and link them, or use the predecessors column to define the relationship. Add milestones to mark key checkpoints by setting a task's duration to 0. They'll show as diamond symbols on the timeline. With these basics, tasks, durations, links, and milestones, Project will automatically generate a schedule. Now set up resources. Open the resource sheet and add your people or equipment as resources. Then, in the Gantt chart, assign them to tasks using the Resource Names column. As you assign work, Project calculates effort and flags over allocations, so you can see if someone is booked beyond their capacity and make adjustments. Turn on the critical path to understand what drives your end date. In the Format options, enable critical tasks. The tasks that appear highlighted are the ones with no wiggle room. If they slip, your whole project finishes later. Keep an eye on these when making changes. As work happens, track progress to keep the plan realistic. Update each task with a % complete, or enter actual start and finish dates when known. Project will recalculate the schedule, adjust remaining work, and show where the timeline shifts. Regular updates keep you ahead of delays and help communicate status clearly. In a nutshell, treat Microsoft Project as a smart timeline. List what needs doing, estimate how long it takes, link tasks so they flow, assign who will do the work, and watch the schedule adjust automatically. Do just that, and you already have a solid, working project plan.